Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, just go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can also switch it here. You can don't wake screen for notifications. You can turn off always on display. And there's other setting. You can turn off this mode when battery is up to 16% charge. And you can set a schedule time to switch between modes. And here, for example, you can select the start time for this mode and the end time for this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.